So I needed to install some speakers into the SUV for the road trip, but I had this unsightly hole from a previous install that I needed to repair. So I went about making a cardboard template that could fill that gap so that I could then carpet and repurpose the factory grille and make it look stealthy and unnoticeable. This is the 6.5 mounted in the door. That is part of a 3-way active setup for each side of the car. The gluing part was pretty painless. Put on some carpet that matches the door color pretty closely, and then just trimmed it up around the 6.5-inch hole that I had previously cut out from another speaker install, testing out these Focal speakers for sound quality. So there you see it. Speakers installed in the door, magnets for the grill, and done.